How do I contact Ally Bank? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting on your couch, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly, a notification pops up. It's from Ally Bank, and it's not good news. Hook. What do you do when Ally Bank screws up? Or when you have a question that their website can't answer? You call them, right? But wait, how do you actually reach Ally Bank? It's not as simple as dialing a number and getting connected. Context. Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and competitive rates. But like any other financial institution, they have customer service representatives ready to help you. The problem is, finding the right way to contact them can be a bit of a maze. Main content. 1. The Ally Bank website. The first and most obvious place to start is the Ally Bank website. They have a dedicated customer service section where you can find various contact options. Look for the Help or Contact Us section. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Once you're there, you'll likely find options like Frequently Asked Questions, FAQs, and Contact Forms. 2. FAQs. Before reaching out to a representative, it's worth checking the FAQs section. They might have answers to your question. Common questions often covered in FAQs include account balances, transfers, and password resets. 3. Contact forms. If you can't find the answer in the FAQs, you can try filling out a contact form. Ally Bank usually has different forms for various inquiries, such as general questions, account issues, or disputes. Provide as much detail as possible in your message to help the representative assist you effectively. 4. Phone support. If you prefer to speak to someone directly, Ally Bank offers phone support. You can usually find the phone number on their website or in your account documents. Be prepared to provide your account number, date of birth, and other identifying information when you call. 5. Social media. Ally Bank is also active on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. You can try reaching out to them through their official accounts for assistance. However, keep in mind that social media might not be the quickest way to resolve your issue, especially if it's complex. 6. In-branch support, if applicable. While Ally Bank is primarily an online bank, they might have physical branches in certain locations. If you're near one, you can visit in person to speak with a representative. 7. Tips for effective contact. To ensure a smooth and efficient experience when contacting Ally Bank, consider these tips. Be patient. Customer service representatives often deal with a high volume of calls, so there might be wait times. Be clear and concise in your explanation. The more information you provide, the better the representative can help you. Keep a record of your interaction, including the date, time, and the representative's name. This can be helpful if you need to follow up later. Outro. And there you have it. Those are the primary ways to contact Ally Bank. Remember, while online banking offers convenience, it's essential to know how to reach out for assistance when needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.